back Baka. Abeg, any win you get for me to play, I go play am, even if na defense. I no wan waste my career for that PSG wey no even fit carry Champions League. On top of all the money wey dem get.
You see wetin I been dey tell you that time wey me and Suarez and Messi been dey tell you say make you no break our MSN information. But you no gree. You talk say Messi dey block your shine. You even fight to Semedo join. Now you don see with your own eyes Koro say dem be career killers. Even Mbappe come dey block your own shine after every.
Abeg, Oga Valverde, even if na bet you wan keep me, I no mind. Just help me make I come back Baka again. E better make Messi block my shine than that small boy of yesterday, Mbappe.
Oya, wetin go happen be say I go try see wetin I go fit help you do.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
But I no dey promise you anything o.
No problem, sir. Just try anyhow you fit, sir. I go appreciate, sir.
Hello, Valverde, how far?
I dey o.
Wetin make you dey call?
Na your boy Neymar o. Him just badge enter my office. Dey beg me say make I press button to help am come back to Baka. Me sef I come surprise. I think say him been dey enjoy the money wey dem dey throw away for him body.
Me sef, na wetin him tell me o. Say him wan comot go Baka. But e be like say Sheikh Oye money dey vex with him o. You know say him carry big money buy Neymar.
Na why we wan give am £90 plus Coutinho and Dembele join as Jara. At least if you add all of them join, e go pass the money wey dem take buy Neymar na.
Me, I no know for Sheikh Oye money o. No say money no be that man problem. Him still fit no gree based on say him just dey vex with Neymar. Him even don tell Oga Florentino say make him add small money plus bill, make him package Neymar send for am. All this one na to barrier Neymar make him for no go Baka.
Abeg help me talk to am, make him collect this awoof offer wey we dey give am.
Okay, I go try talk to am. I go tell you wetin him talk after.
Expired player for sale. Expired player for sale. Only 90 million. Expired striker for sale oh.
How much they sell?
Only 90 million.
It's too much now. Person wey sabi get injury. Na him cost like this.
Oh yeah, how much you want buy am?
Na 40 million I get.
Oloshi. Shey is market that you come like this. Abeg come up for here jare.
Make I carry 90 million come buy expired striker. How much Gazidis can give me to take buy players for this whole season? Nonsense. Chop your expired player, Joe.
How you expect say make dem buy me 90 million when you dey call me expired player?
Will you shut up your mouth? Let me see whether I will sell market today.
Gazidin, well done
no. My dear customer, welcome. I get expired striker for sale. You go buy?
How much?
Now only 90 million no.
Give me 50 million. Make I give you money now, cash.
Customer. It's not like that now. How much did I buy him ke? No nah. He passed like that now.
You don't say na sell me self go sell am.
Oya bring 80. It's because of you.
Okay, make I give you 51 cash.
Ogbeni, are you mad? Abeg carry your wahala comot, Igbo man. Too like money?
I don't see you wey no like money. You come dey sell expire player 90 million.